So pumping out 640 horsepower out of a 3.7 liter, the 2024 911 Turbo S is spectacular. Priced at $230,000, this car is excellent. Right now I have it in Sport Plus mode. And you can push this button here for extra power for 20 seconds. There it is. And it's fun to downshift needlessly just to listen to that. The car has an 8-speed PDK transmission and the shifts are lightning fast. The ceramic brakes on this are excellent. The bite on them is so fantastic that they take a while to get used to. I love the suspension on this car. All in all, the car is incredibly streetable. For 640 horsepower, you don't feel frightened driving this thing. I have the car in Sport Plus, which lowers the car even more than its already aggressive stance. I love the sound of the 3.7 liter, but I do wish it sounded a little more aggressive for a car this powerful. Anyway, what do you think of this? Put it in the comments.